Hi guys, today I will show you how to install the prong ring press stud uh, through plier. This is plier, as you can see. This is prong rings. Yeah. This is female socket, and this is male stud. Now the method is see video. Has to keep like this, and this is now take the fabric here, press like this. No, see. Yeah, this is fixed. Now we are gonna to fix the main stud. This one using plier. We will keep this one like this. Yeah, and this prong ring will be over here like this. We will going to fix it. Press. Save. It has been fixed now. Now we have fixed recently now this one. This is the prong rings. This is female socket. This is male stud. Or we can now make the fix like this and this. Thank you.